Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how to search the Wikipedia, and you can search Google search, you can search anything, and you can also search by YouTube. So and you can also um, take any information and how to shut down your system. So this is the, if you have not this library, first you install this library PyWordKit. Second, I import this library. Now it's working. And next is I am taking the object PyWordKit dot. I want to search the machine learning, all about the machine learning topics. So you can see that there is a lot of machine learning. By using the Python program, you can search and anything. So this is the one line program, pywordkit.search, and you can give anything. I have given machine learning, you can use anything. Second is I want to search by YouTube. This is the normal search, and now I want to search by YouTube. So in YouTube I have given the R language. It's search in YouTube option. Open the R language topics. So same is this is the pywordkit dot play on YT YouTube is a play on YT. So we run. So you can see this is the Python, R language program. This is the R language complete introduction to R. There is all R language program is in left side. You can also see, and it also give you the path. Next is I want to search in Wikipedia. I want to take the information on Wikipedia about the Power BI. So it give the Wikipedia give the give the definition about the Power BI. Now I want to check that this definition is same as it show in output Wikipedia in Power. So it's give the definition. Microsoft Power BI is an interactive data visualization software product developed by the Microsoft with a primary focus of business intelligence. Now I want to check that my output is same as Wikipedia show the definition. So Microsoft Power BI is interactive data visualization software product developed by the Microsoft with a primary focus on the business intelligence. It means the both definition are same. So you can also use in one line program use to search the Wikipedia, and you can search anything by using this one line code. Next I want to shut down my system, so I have given the 60-second. You can give more or less. Now I am giving the 120-second. So is a same thing, pywordkit dot shutdown, and this is the you want 30 seconds, 60 second, or 120-second, or above you want to shut down your system. So I have given 120-second. So after 120-second, the my system is shut down. So it's give you that window shut down after 2 minutes. Now close. So this is the program where I am using the different type of search operation where we can search the anything. We can search by YouTube, we can search by Google, we can search by the Wikipedia.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.